Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to set up your brand new Wayfinder system. You're going to need a computer, a laptop or tablet that is already on the same network as your Wayfinder hardware.
To configure Wayfinder doesn't require any special applications. Just use an internet browser that you're familiar with, such as Safari or Chrome. Enter in the words wayfinder.local. As we're going to be using this interface more than once, we recommend saving this as a desktop favorite. In iPads, you can do that by tapping the share icon, scrolling down to add to home screen, and selecting add. This creates an icon on your desktop that you can use every day. When we press that icon, Wayfinder opens with the standard safety message. As you're well aware, Wayfinder does not take over anything on your vessel, and so we insist on you reading this and understanding that you, as the captain, always have full control and responsibility for your vessel. With that agreed, Wayfinder will open up the users. By default, we have one user, the skipper. By tapping on this avatar, we open up the full Wayfinder interface. Almost everything in Wayfinder can be accessed by a simple tap, or for settings, a tap and hold. As we're here to set our vessel up, we'll tap and hold on the vessel icon and select vessel data. Our default PIN number is 111111.
Here you can enter some basic information about your boat. The vessel name is particularly important as it is used in Wayfinder's custom emergency communication procedures. When everything is completed, we can move on to the next page. You can add the flag for whichever country your boat is registered to and your home port, as well as the website for your vessel here if you have one. Finally, you can enter your hull ID. It's like a VIN number for a vehicle, and the color of your boat for easy identification when you're out at sea.
Next up is communication. If you've registered your vessel with a local authority, you probably have a Maritime Mobile Service Identity, an MMSI. You can enter that here along with your VHF and HF call signs. As is common these days, emergency services may ask for the skipper's phone number and name for easier communication in the event of an emergency. Wayfinder has an incredibly powerful anchoring process built right in, but to do that, it'll require your chain length available. Here you can enter how much chain you have in the locker, as well as your anchor freeboard, the distance from the anchor to the water's surface, and the bridle length from the bow roller to the tip of your bridle. All of these combined will give you the most precise anchor alarm you've ever had, and Wayfinder will alert you if you begin to drag.
Wayfinder can keep a record of your hull dimensions for easy reference in the future. You can enter the length of your vessel overall and at the waterline, as well as your beam and air draft, which is the distance from the surface of the water to the highest point of your boat. This is ideal if you are navigating under a bridge and you want to check if you'll fit underneath. If you have a lift or swing keel or dagger boards, you can enter the maximum and minimum draft. If you have a fixed keel, this number will be the same. By entering the distance from your depth transducer to the bottom of your keel, Wayfinder can accurately configure your depth readings, and this allows it to send you accurate depth alarm notifications.
And finally, to prevent any unwanted changes to these settings, you can enter a vessel unlock code of 6 digits. There's also a default timer of 5 minutes, after which the system will lock out and require the code again, but this can be changed to any number you please. And with all those settings configured, you simply tap the X in the top left corner.
And now your new Wayfinder system knows everything it needs to about your boat, and it's ready to take to the water. To continue your Wayfinder journey, click here to subscribe to our channel, and for even more customization, check out our new video.